So today I was at an event with my mother and I had my phone out. And my friend, she came and she said, "Did you just get a new phone?" And I'm like, "No, it's the same phone, iPhone 8 Plus, just replaced the case." She said, "It looks like you got a brand new phone." I have to smile because I have not changed my phone since iPhone 8 Plus. When did we get that? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I swapped out the case to my iPhone 8 Plus. And you're probably wondering, why are you making a video about that? Well, because the case that was on my iPhone 8 Plus, I had not changed since I got the iPhone 8 Plus, which is a testament to how well that case was, because I used it through my years doing rideshare as a chauffeur. I've dropped it numerous times, and also the screen protector also was from when I got the iPhone 8 Plus. So that's what I'm going to share with you today in this video, and then I'll give you more information about this case, which is a really nice case and very well made, very eye-catching. So let's do that. Cheers. This is my iPhone 8 Plus. I've had it since it came out. And this is the protective case that's been on my iPhone 8 Plus since I got it. Look at that. It's taken quite a beating. Yes. I'm not one to upgrade my iPhones every year. I stick with what works, and it's worked for me all this time. But as you can see, it's time for complete upgrade. Well, I'm still with the same phone, but I have a brand new case that we're going to unbox today and install. The first thing I need to do is remove the screen protector, and I bought some new ones to do that as well. But you can see this is the iPhone 8 Plus. I think it was in graphite. I just bought what was available. But the first thing we're going to do is going to remove this. I'm going to clean it up and install the new stuff. Okay, let's first clean it up a bit. I have some paper towels and I have some hand sanitizer, and that's what we're going to do. Just going to wipe it down with some hand sanitizer. And they're like, "Why are you wiping down the cracked screen?" I said, "Well, you know, I'm just cleaning it up a bit." See, I saw online that you could just take your nail and lift off the old screen, so let's do that. Look at that. I hope this works. Let's see. Let's see what I'm. Let's see the screen. It's been cracked. It's seen better days. Let's see if we can give you a better view. Maybe I put it against the dark. It's seen better days. So the first thing we're going to do is put that aside put everything aside here. Alright, so we're going to unbox this. I'm going to clean this a little bit more. Let's turn this off. Okay, let's try to open this. Oh, easy open. So the package was not easy to open, but that's okay. It has wet wipes and dry wipe and this dust absorber thingy. So according to the instructions that I'll hold here for a second, you can screenshot if you want to. You're going to use the wet wipe to remove any dirt from the screen. You're going to use the dry wipe to ensure all dust and liquid have been removed. And then you're going to use the sticker side of the dust absorber to eliminate any amounts of debris on the screen. Then you're going to put on the new screen protector. Let's do this. Lordy, help me. Okay, we'll move this out of the way. Wet wipes. There you go. Wet wipe. Make sure that there's like debris left over from the old screen protector. Try to make sure that's all cleaned out. And it's a miracle that my phone is still working after all these years. I'm blessed. I'm just gonna say it's a blessing. A blessing, a blessing, a blessing. We did that. Alright. Now we're gonna do the dry wipes. Do that. Let's see. Now they said use this anti-dust absorber. Clear the dust on the screen. Clear the dust on the screen.
Just cut into
Dust, you see any debris? I hope we got everything. So now remove the bottom. Here is So here's the new screen. I'm going to hold it by the edges. They said move the bottom protective layer from here. Oh dear. And now we're going to align it. Let's do it this way. I should put some suspenseful music on this because use. Alright. I hope that's good. And what do we do now? Do I just do this? There we go. Woo! Look at that. So I'm gonna just, they said use your finger to, it's not perfect, but it's on. You go. Screen protector, new one. This was the old ratty one. Look at that. That was the old one. Now we have the new one. Now it's time to put on the new case. Now we're going to put on the new phone case by Diverbox. So we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. I already opened it. It's really cute. I got it in yellow. There you go. Thank you here. There you go. It's like a... I really love the color. I have thank you here. Telling you thank you. That's what it came with, a thank you, a nice note. It came with some really cute stickers for Cinco de Mayo. I really love them. Probably putting them in my agenda. Oh my god, they're darling. I love it. And here's the instruction manual. And here's the little tool. This is like a little opener. They call it the opener. So let's see what it says here. So it says here how to open it. I'm going to take this, and there's a little thing there, you can see. I'm going to take the little opener and let's see, opener, and oh, did I do it? I did. Yes. And then you gotta, oh, maybe it's like you put in the opener and then you have to bring it through. Oh look, I'm sorry. You gotta bring it through. Oh, I see. It's kind of like this little struggling. There we go. Hope I'm in focus here. Sal, caray. Okay, all right. Perfect. All right. Yay. Let's Diverbox screen cleaning cloth. Let's make sure everything's all wiped down. Here's my iPhone 8 Plus from many moons ago with its new and brand new and hot screen protector. I could turn you on. There you go. I'm gonna put you in. While that's turning on, let's nestle you in. Oh! Ooh! Nice and snug. Have a bug in a rug. Maybe I should not say bug in a rug. Is this correct? Oh my god, I hope this is, no, this is upside down. I'm going to put this on. Snip it in. Alrighty. Turn it on. Wipe off. And yeah. And fancy. I love it. Maybe I'll put a sticker on this. Who knows? It's so cute. And now I'm just going to enjoy my new box. I'll link this Diverbox. I think it's like reminiscent of an OtterBox. Feels very sturdy. I like it a lot. So here's a close-up view of this screen protector that lasted me since I got the iPhone 8 Plus. So that's a testament to the sturdiness of the screen protector. When I first got the iPhone 8, I didn't drop it a lot. When I started doing rideshare and driving as a chauffeur, I dropped the phone a lot more. And here is the original case that I had bought, that I had applied to the iPhone 8 Plus when I purchased it. So you can see it's all beat up, and so now everything is nice and brand new. The iPhone 8 is still here, alive and well and working. I'm liking this. It feels a little bit more hefty, but you know, I don't mind the protection. And my iPhone 8 Plus is still going strong. And these are the little cute stickers that came with the Diverbox. Cinco de Mayo cactuses. Look at that. So cute. I love it. Anyways, that's all for now. Cheers.